Hello guys.
In this video, I am going to share with you the 3 most important Android apps which will change your life. For any programmer, the 2 essential things are learning a new program and executing that program. For learning a program, I prefer the solo learn, which will provide a new stuff every day. In the feed section, we can see the other programmers share different things, and the learn section we will find a lot of new languages. For example, to become a data scientist, you can learn machine learning, data science, Python 3, SQL, and many more. And for a web developer, we can learn HTML, CSS, and everything. The Kotlin, NumPy are some of the important languages provided by the Solo Learn. The best thing I like is after completion of any program, let's I completed Python 3, at last I get a certificate with a unique ID. I can share and save this certificate and send to many others. And the second important app is the Decoder app. After learning many more languages from Solo Learn, we have to execute that. For executing, I use the Decoder app. Simply click on Start Coding, and here you can find a lot of languages. More than 50 languages are present in the Decoder app. The next step is simply click on the next and create a file. I naming file as file and creating it. Simply the interface look in this way. Click on this button, green button, and we can find the Hello Decoder. And the third most important app is the Termux app. If you are working as cybersecurity or ethical hacking, or if you want to become like them, then you have to use this Termux app. Using the Termux app leads to use a Linux. You can also install Linux over here. I am installing Python over this Termux. It is simply by typing pkg install Python. Here we can see I have installed Python. It is easier.
To learn any programming language, the 3 most important essential things are knowing the concept and learn the programming language, and the third is practice coding. For learning concepts, here are the 3 important websites. Number 1 is EDX. As EDX is collaborated with many universities, for example, it combined with Harvard University and provides these languages which are very useful. You can simply access them for free. And the second place is the Udemy. Udemy is one such platform where you can get in high languages with more lectures and for free. Many of them are free and some are paid. And the third one is Coursera, which provides languages for free. In this hard time and pandemic, you can learn many more things. As you can see, it is collaborated with Google, IBM, and many more big companies over here. It is very beautiful websites. Now we know the concept, but it is not enough. We should have a knowledge on programming language too. For that, I recommend 3 best websites. The number 1 is W3 School. Here we can get the programming stuff with examples too. Here we find a most important languages like PHP, Python, and Java. And the second website is the Tutorial Point. Here we can get the queries with examples and also with the coding. Here we can see the lot of coding over here. And the third one, last but not least, is the Geek for Geeks website. It is known for its concept because whatever concept it explains is most important and easier manner to understand. These are the 3 websites. Now we have learned the programming language and the concept. The third step is execution of the program. There are many online editors, but the three most popular editors are: the first one is Coding Ground, which is available in Tutorial Point. Yes, it also provides our coding area. Here we can see, on clicking the execute we can find our result. And the second one is the online GDB. It is one of the best compiler. We can see the C language hello world is printed on the console. And the third one is online Java compiler. By the meaning the Java, it does not mean it provides only the Java compiler, it also provides C and Python compilers too. These are the main and the best websites for coding area. Now we know the concept and learned how to program. Is everything done? No. Because if we stuck in a program, what we can do? There are a lot of community. The most popular three communities are: number one is GitHub. GitHub is such a platform where we can show our performance and we can find our queries here. Now I am showing the Picasso library, which is useful for Android development. And the second one is Stack Overflow. This is the one I used most because whenever I stuck in the program, I use this because lot of people solve these problems in a different manner and gives answer within a seconds. This is more useful. Third, not the least, is MIT Open Source Core. This is also the website which done the same work. With this, I completed.
Peace.